y'all, what's going on? I'm back with another video. Y'all, this is just a quick short video. I have been really busy. If y'all have seen any of my other house videos, I replaced the refrigerator, the microwave, the stove, and the dishwasher. That was just yesterday and today, getting it installed. It's all done now. But today I got this car refrigerator from Karinear. Yes, yeah, and I figured, I wanted to share with you guys this is gonna go in my truck because y'all know I'm planning on traveling. So what better way to not have to stop for drinks when I can go to the supermarket and fill up a refrigerator in my truck and have my drinks. Come on, y'all. Or you can put them in the trunk of your car, the back seat of your car. In my mind, this was like a genius idea. So of course y'all know I had to share it with y'all. And I'm gonna take it out to the car and see how it fits. I think I saw gray and red, and of course, me being me, I wanted some color, so I picked red. So let's just get it out the box, y'all, and see what all we got in here. Oh, it's not heavy. I thought it was gonna be heavy. I had to roll it out. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's so cute. Y'all, I'm gonna put this right in the back of my truck. Yes, and you can use this in the house. When I'm not traveling, I already got plans for this to go out on my patio next to the couch. If I'm back there watching TV, ain't no need in a big old refrigerator. This little portable refrigerator will work just fine. Yes, perfect. Oh, okay. We got a cigarette lighter port, kind of like plug. And we have the huge base plug. And then we have what is this, a 110? Because I have one of these 110s in my truck too, so that will work just fine. Oh, you just plug this into here and then plug this into the refrigerator. Let's see what it says. Portable, rated 12 volt to 24 volt, 40 watts of power. And I think I saw on the box, I did, it's right here. Right here. It says 16 liters, 12 volt, 40 watts, 6.8 kilograms. So it's not heavy at all. This is nice. And the buttons are here. I wonder how much can you get in it. Let me get some bottles of water out the pantry. And let me show y'all how deep it is. Y'all see that? It's deep as heck. And it's got two sides. You can stack stuff at the top or you can stack stuff down at the bottom. Let me go get some water. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. This is just Ozark spring water. 4, 5, 6. And I wonder if I could lay one across the top. Yep, and make it 7. And let me bring it out over here so you can see that I still have room to put other foods or sandwiches or other stuff on top. And then you have the temperature gauge buttons here to turn the temperature up and down. This is nice. This is really nice. Here's the plug here. I'm gonna plug it up in here so we can just see if it's loud or quiet. And this will definitely reach from the back seat or plug it up in the back seat. This is gonna be perfect. Now let me come get y'all. Now that I have it plugged up, there are the lights. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect. Let's see. Oh, it's counting down itself to the temperature to get cold. Let's go see how this fits in the car. See, it says 74. I wanted to do it myself, but I guess it does it on its own. 73. It's cooling pretty fast. Y'all see that? It's not taking very long at all. Let's go plug it up in the truck and see how it fits or works in the truck. I'll be right back. Yeah, I didn't show y'all. It's got these little feet on it to keep it from tipping over, so it won't go forward or backwards. It's one on each side, and they keep it from tipping over. This is nice. This is nice. I'll put the links below. Let's go see what it looks like in the car. This is absolutely perfect. Perfect. I can put it in the back of the truck. And set it right here. And the plug goes here. And it can run into the 12-volt plug. Let me see if I can reach it. Let's see. There it is. There's a 12-volt plug right in there. So this will work perfect. And normally just traveling, it's going to be only me. So it's not taking up a lot of storage space, and I don't have to get out the truck. I can reach from the front to the back to get out whatever I want to drink. This is perfect. Or for tailgating, I can sit it right here. The plug is here, and then there's a 12-volt plug here in the back of the truck. So I can just sit it right there. Let the legs out, pull the top up, and baby, drinks on cold in the fridge right here. Okay guys, I didn't show y'all the little manual that you get with it for instructions. I just saw it on the desk when I came back. Karinear, thank you so much for sending me this very useful item. I absolutely love this. This is going on my patio right now till I get ready to go somewhere out by the couch, so when I'm sitting back there watching TV, I don't have to come back and forth. Yes, near the jacuzzi. Girl, that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna be living it up. All right, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If this was something interesting or something that you might be interested in, I will put a link below. Bye guys, y'all stay blessed.